Cleaning process for the LUX and CORE. Place a towel on your work surface as needed. Brush the comfort tip. Brush the microphone. Cleaning the tubing. Rotate the tubing base 90 degrees and slide off to remove. Insert wire through tubing base. Wipe end of wire clean. Repeat as necessary. Reattach tubing to the body. Brush the comfort tip and microphone daily and clean the tubing weekly for optimal sound quality. Ask a friend or family member for help as needed.